Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Worldwide Zoology. This is Arab Zafar. The topic which we will discuss today is class Zoo Mastigophora of subphylum Mastigophora. As we have discussed the first class Phytomastigophora in our previous lecture, we will discuss class Zoo Mastigophora in this video tutorial. So as the name indicates, zoo means animal and Mastigophora means flagella to bear. So these are animal-like organisms that bear flagella. They lack chloroplast and are heterotrophic. Some members of this class are important parasites of human. So let's discuss about them. So one of the most important species of the Zoomastigophora is Trypanosoma brucei. This species is divided into three other subspecies. One is TB brucei, TB gambians, and the last is TB rhodesians. So often referred to as Trypanosoma brucei complex. So the first of these subspecies, that is TB brucei, is a parasite of non-human mammals of Africa. Means that other than human, all the mammals of Africa are the host of TB brucei. So the latter two, one is TB gambians and the other is TB rhodesians, is a parasite of humans that cause sleeping sickness. That is Glossina species known as sissy flies are intermediate host and vector of all three subspecies. Means sissy flies are intermediate host of the TB gambians and TB rhodesians but act as vector for all the three subspecies of the Trypanosoma brucei complex. So when a tsetse fly bites an infected human or mammal, it picks up the parasite in addition to its meal of blood. So what happens when the tsetse flies pick up the parasites in addition to its meal? The trypanosomes multiply asexually in the gut of that fly for about 10 days. Then after asexual multiplication, they migrate to the salivary gland, while the fly trypanosome transform in 15 to 35 days. Means in trypanosomes, the organisms, Trypanosoma brucei or complex organisms, the subspecies of the Trypanosoma brucei complex, are transformed in 15 to 35 days to a number of body forms. When the infected sissy fly bites another vertebrate host, the parasites travel with salivary secretions into the blood of the new definitive host. So the intermediate host is the sissy fly while the definitive host is the human. The parasites multiply asexually in the new host and again transform through a number of body forms, that is usually a human being. So parasites may live in the blood, lymph and the spleen, nervous system and the cerebrospinal fluid. So these are the target areas of these parasites. When trypanosomes enter the central nervous system, they cause general apathy, mental dullness and lack of coordination. Sleepiness develops and the infective individual may fall asleep during normal daytime activities. That's why sleeping sickness is occurred by trypanosomes. That result from any combination of the previous symptoms as well as from heart failure, malnutrition and other weakened conditions. If detected earlier, sleeping sickness is curable. However, if an infection has advanced to the central nervous system, recovery is unlikely. So it may be dangerous when it prevails to an advanced level. So that's all about Zoomastigophora. So most of the Zoomastigophorans are parasites, of which trypanosomes are of the most important species. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe, share and like my channel.